How to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the airplane mode feature as shown. As you can see, it is currently turned off. Turn on the airplane mode feature. After some time, turn it back off. This might help with the Wi-Fi connectivity. After that, scroll down and go to General. Over here, go to Software Update. You can update your phone from here and view all the available updates. Go back and tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, tap on VPN. If VPN is already connected, then turn off the VPN status feature at the top. Alternatively, go to the General Settings page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone at the end. Then, tap on Reset. From here, select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone.